it's another report that England-born forward Mason Greenwood is finally set to become a reggae boy. Fundamentally though, what this senior reggae boys team need is to get more organized and play more cohesive football than to get any new player, even Mason Greenwood. If Mason Greenwood gets to Jamaica and the team continues to be disjointed, shapeless and aimless, he will just look like another headless chicken chasing his shadow. This thing with Mason Greenwood is actually now becoming an annoying distraction from the bigger picture. So instead of seeing this latest importation as a solution to our problem, we really need to fix the actual problem. Because if Jamaica needs to get Mason Greenwood to beat Trinidad, Curacao and Bermuda and qualify for the World Cup, then guess what? We do not deserve to qualify for the World Cup. Straight up.